The journey from field to factory starts early. These ripe pineapples are ready for processing.
It all begins here, in the lush fields, where the finest pineapples are grown under the tropical sun.
Every drop of juice starts with the freshest pineapples, grown in these sun-drenched fields.
The journey begins right here in the field, where our farmers carefully select and crate only the finest, ripest pineapples by hand. Once harvested, the pineapples are quickly loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing facility.
The journey begins as fresh pineapples are transported from the fields to the processing facility.
The process begins as the fresh pineapples arrive at the state-of-the-art processing facility. Once cleared through the main gate, the pineapples are ready for the next stage of their journey inside the state-of-the-art facility.
The process begins as the freshly harvested pineapples arrive at the factory's state-of-the-art intake bay, ready for processing.
Freshly harvested pineapples arrive daily at the processing plant, where they are immediately moved onto the conveyor system for sorting and cleaning. Once harvested, the pineapples arrive at the processing facility, where they are loaded onto the main conveyor line for washing and sorting.
The first step in the juice extraction process is transferring the freshly harvested fruit onto the high-speed conveyor system. Here in the washing unit, high-pressure water jets remove any remaining debris before the pineapples move on to the next stage. The pineapples enter the industrial washing machine for a thorough cleaning before processing.
The process begins as the freshly harvested pineapples are transported to the automated washing line. Here,
Upon arrival at the factory, the pineapples are thoroughly washed. They travel along a vibrating screen, which shakes loose any remaining field grit before the next stage.
Once washed, the pineapples enter the automated inspection line, where high-speed cameras scan each fruit for quality and ripeness.
The pineapples move rapidly along the conveyor belt to the automated laser marking station, where a precise beam etches the batch code onto the skin. The first step in the juice extraction process is the high-speed removal of the pineapple crowns by these synchronized robotic arms.
The process begins with the automated precision saws removing the crown and base of the pineapple, minimizing waste.
Once sorted, the pineapples are guided into the machine, where cylindrical blades efficiently remove the tough outer skin and the core.
Once the pineapples enter the factory, they are quickly transferred to the automated peeling line, where rotating rollers strip away the skin.
After washing, the pineapples are sent through the peeler, where they are chopped and dropped into these collection bins.
The freshly peeled fruit moves rapidly through the stainless steel lines, undergoing strict quality control before juicing.
Next, the automated coring machine swiftly removes the tough central core from the pineapple flesh, preparing it for the next stage of juice extraction.
Next, the peeled pineapple enters the coring stage, where a high-speed cylindrical blade precisely removes the core. The freshly sliced pineapple rings are collected in these large stainless steel bins before moving on to the pressing stage. The pineapples move rapidly along the conveyor belt to the automated trimming station,
where high-speed blades remove the remaining skin with precision.
Here, the trimmed pineapple rings begin their journey down the processing line, closely monitored by our quality control team to ensure peak freshness.
Welcome to the ultimate pineapple processing factory. This is how pineapple juice is made.
The automated system uses high-speed circular saws to slice the pineapples into perfectly uniform rings. After coring, the rings are meticulously stacked by hand onto sterile metal trays, ready for the next stage of juice extraction.
After being cored and sliced, the rings enter the industrial washing machine, where high-pressure water ensures optimal cleanliness.
Advanced laser technology ensures only the highest quality pineapple rings continue down the line for processing.
After being sliced, the rings travel along the conveyor belt through the drying station, where powerful air blowers remove excess moisture.
Once sliced, the rings are rapidly stacked by automated precision robots before moving to the next stage of the packaging line.
The rings are precisely guided into the automated canning machine. Thousands of cans per hour are filled and sealed.
The automated system ensures maximum efficiency, quickly filling the cans with the fresh pineapple rings before they move on to the next stage. The canning line operates with precision, rapidly filling each container with succulent pineapple rings before the final sealing stage. Next, a measured amount of warm, clear syrup is poured over the fruit, preserving its flavor and ensuring quality.
Here we see the automated nozzles dispensing the preserving syrup into the freshly cut pineapple rings.
Utilizing advanced automation, the cans are rapidly indexed through the rotating sealing mechanism, where the lids are precisely crimped and vacuum sealed. Here the lids are crimped onto the cans by high-speed rotating mechanisms, creating an airtight seal essential for preservation.
The cans then move to the crimping station, where high-speed rollers precisely seal the lids, ensuring the juice remains fresh and airtight.
The high-speed canning line is a marvel of modern engineering, ensuring that every labeled aluminum can is perfectly filled and prepared for packaging.
Automated sensors utilize blue light technology to scan each can meticulously, ensuring only the highest quality juice proceeds.
The labeled cans now enter the sterilization tunnel, where high-pressure steam ensures the juice remains fresh without compromising flavor.
Here in the sterilization tunnel, high-pressure steam and scalding water prepare the juice for packaging.
As the cans move through the tunnel, they are blasted with high-pressure hot water and steam, a crucial step in the sterilization process.
The filled cans now enter the sterilization tunnel, where high-pressure steam and hot water ensure the product is safe and extend its shelf life.
After filling, the sealed cans enter the sterilization tunnel, where they are superheated with steam to eliminate bacteria.
Emerging from the steam sterilization, the cans are immediately blasted with cold water to stabilize the temperature and ensure product safety. Here at the rinsing station, high-speed jets wash the newly sterilized cans, preparing them for the next stage of the juice production process.
The journey begins as the freshly sterilized cans rapidly move along the high-speed conveyor system towards the filling station. Here at the counting station, a high-speed sensor meticulously tracks the volume of cans passing through the facility.
Once filled and sealed, the cans are rapidly sorted by advanced optical scanners and gently diverted into different streams for packaging.
Once filled, the cans are rapidly directed to the automated labeling machine, where high-speed applicators wrap them in their vibrant packaging.
Once filled, the cans move rapidly to the labeling station. Here, high-speed automation
Here, every can undergoes a meticulous inspection, checking the seal and the label integrity before being moved to the next stage.
The filled cans are rapidly grouped together by an automated system and placed into cardboard trays, ready for the next stage.
The packaging line operates with incredible precision, as thousands of cans are automatically loaded into boxes.
And here we see the final step in how pineapple juice is made, the automated packaging and boxing process.
The fully automated warehouse ensures maximum efficiency. Here, robotic arms precisely stack.
Once packaged, the juice boxes are transported to the automated warehouse, where robotic systems handle the final palletizing with unmatched precision.
The final stage of packaging involves the automated wrapping station, ensuring every pallet is securely sealed before being moved into storage.
The automated labeling system ensures every pallet is tracked with a unique barcode before moving to the warehouse.
The finished pineapple juice cartons are shrink-wrapped and transported by conveyor to the quality control station.
Every pallet is scanned to ensure efficiency and track the product throughout the factory.
The automated warehouse ensures maximum efficiency, tracking every pallet from production to shipment.
Once the juice is bottled and packaged, it's quickly moved to the loading dock for distribution. The final stage of the process involves careful logistics, as forklifts transport the packaged juice directly into awaiting shipping containers. After quality control, the finished product is loaded into shipping containers and transported via our efficient logistics network.
The process begins as the fresh pineapples arrive at the state-of-the-art facility. Once cleared by security, the trucks proceed to the unloading bay.
The final step. Fresh pineapple juice is dispatched from the state-of-the-art facility. The journey begins as fresh pineapples are transported from the fields to the factory.
The process begins here at the loading dock, where fresh pineapples arrive nightly to be processed into juice.
Once packaged, the juice boxes are loaded into shipping containers, ready for transport around the world.
The pallets are carefully loaded into shipping containers for transport. Once the juice is packaged, forklifts transport the pallets to the expansive warehouse for storage before distribution.
Once packaged, the juice boxes are transported to the high bay warehouse, where our team efficiently manages inventory before distribution.
Efficiency is key, as the finished product is carefully organized within the state-of-the-art warehouse, ready for distribution.
Once processed, the juice is packaged and stored on high shelves in the massive, climate-controlled warehouse, ready for distribution.
In the final stage of how pineapple juice is made, the finished products are carefully stacked and prepared for distribution.
The forklift efficiently transports the finished pineapple juice to storage in the vast warehouse. The final step before shipping is storage in this vast, efficient warehouse, capable of holding millions of cases.
Once processed and packaged, the pineapple juice is carefully transported to the warehouse for storage before distribution.
Welcome to the ultimate pineapple processing facility, where efficiency meets innovation. After quality control, the vibrant cartons are shrink-wrapped and stacked. The final product is now ready to be shipped from the facility.
Welcome to one of the largest pineapple processing centers. This highly organized warehouse manages the millions of pineapples that arrive daily.
After processing, the juice is carefully packaged and stored in this vast, state-of-the-art facility, ready for distribution.